بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أفلم يسيروا في الأرض فينظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبلهم. Have you not looked through the land at the people who came before and what happened to them? Every country, every nation, every civilization that has used fiat currency and had an interest-based banking and financial system, the currencies all went to zero. So similarly, the dollar, the euro, all those will go to zero. They'll reset it and start to use something else. But the people who hold those and hold on to the value of them, if the value goes to zero, then you've lost the value of your wealth. So the take-home message is that we should look at the example of those people who came before us and what they did with their currencies, and what was the ending of that. From the Roman Empire all the way up till now, there's been many currencies that have been used by civilizations, and whenever they did the same thing that we're doing now, they all went to zero. So these currencies of today will go to zero. So the way to fight against that, or to at least position yourself to be able to not get stuck holding a worthless bag, is to get into cryptocurrency so that you can have more flexibility with your money. The common misconception about cryptocurrency is that it is not stable. It fluctuates way too much. And this is actually definitely a misconception. It is a myth. Maybe in the beginning it used to be that way, but with the introduction of stable coins, they are exactly that. They are stable. The coins are actually pegged one-to-one with the US dollar or the euro or any other currency from the countries that have they're pegged to different currencies of other countries, the dollar, the euro, the yen, or whatever. But for this example, we're going to use the currencies that are pegged to the US dollar, which is, you have Tether. So the point is, one-to-one for the cryptocurrency, USDT, that you have. You can buy them and store them in your cryptocurrency wallet. They hold the same value as the dollars that you're holding now in your US or whatever bank account. Same value, same amount, and if the dollar crumbles and goes to zero, well, so will your USDT, so will your USD Tether, and these other stable coins, True USD, and DAI is a little bit different, but for the scope of this, we're not going to really get into that. The point is that they're all come out to $1 and they stay there. So you would not lose any of the value of your money if you were to take your dollars that are in the bank and buy cryptocurrency, in this case stable coins, with it, and hold them in your own wallet. So that is one of the barriers that people have, that they say, well, I'm going to lose my money if I put it in crypto. That's 100% false. Now, in order to move your money from dollars to crypto, there are many avenues for that, and there's definitely a way where you can actually not only move your money out of the bank and make money doing it, and avoid interest doing it, but you can also make money. That is by being able to shift that currency very quickly and easily, instantly, basically, between dollars or euros or Bitcoin or Tether or Ethereum or any of the other coins. One example, because this was already up for me, I don't have anything in this account at the moment, but for an example, if you had the USDT in this account, this is Uphold. This is one of the cryptocurrency wallets that you can use. There are a few others that are better than this, but this is the one that came with a program that I was using. So here it goes. So basically, if you transfer your US dollars to this account, it will be here. It will show up here. Then if you just wanted to transfer it to euros, because maybe the dollar is crumbling, but the euro is going strong. Bam, you switch it over, and the value of your assets are as secure as the euro might be. You can switch it to Bitcoin. You can switch it to a gold-backed cryptocurrency, which is XAU or XRP, or there are some others. But the point is, with having a cryptocurrency wallet, you can easily switch between currencies so that you don't get stuck with one that is surely going to die. Now you can keep your dollars until you can't take it anymore, but you can get it out of the bank and into your own wallet to where they can't use it to lend it out on interest. So that's a quick overview of cryptocurrencies, the stable coins, and how if you hold the stable coin, if you hold one of these stable coins, it is $1 for every one that you have, and it will not fluctuate in price. So you can have a stable coin and get all the benefits of preserving your dollars for whatever that's worth, and still avoid dealing in interest. You can avoid the banks altogether. We will get into exactly how you can do that, but for now, that is something to think about. That's something to take home, in the fact that there's not going to be any fluctuation if you don't want to deal with that fluctuation. Now, you could lose out on making a lot of money by putting it in other currencies when they're going up, and then switching back to the dollar, to your stable coins when it starts to go down. We'll show how to do that going forward. An example of a cryptocurrency that people say is they're volatile, they fluctuate, they're just here to speculate on price, they're not real, they're just made up things. This here is an example. What you're looking at is cryptocurrency. This is cryptocurrency. What is it? It's a browser that, instead of taking your data and using that information for the company to make money and leaving you with nothing, this browser actually pays you, and you get paid. You get rewards in cryptocurrency, which is worth actual money that you can spend and use to buy things and other things that you may want to do. But the point is, this is actual cryptocurrency in action. It's live and in the flesh, so to speak. But basically, so anyone who says it's just, they're not real, they're not they're just here to speculate on price. No, this is the Brave browser. The cryptocurrency is the BAT token or whatever, and it basically powers this browser. So that's something to think about. Every single cryptocurrency is similar to this in the fact that it is a currency, but it's used for some sort of application, and it's not, people do buy and trade and sell them, but that's like with any stocks on the stock market or anything else. You wouldn't say that Google is just something to speculate on price. No, it's a company, it's a business, and it is traded on the stock market, and so are all of the cryptocurrencies. People just don't know what they are. So going forward, I would say the stable coins, that is something that you definitely can use. We will go ahead and show how to implement that in future videos, but you can go ahead and do some of your own research on the stable coins, and then going forward we'll show the wallets and how you can use that. One take-home thing is everyone should download CoinGecko, because it's a good way to track all of the coins without any biases like some of the coin market caps and the other companies do. So CoinGecko is basically the best one, so you should download that if you get the opportunity. We have links in the description for the Brave browser if you want that. For the traders, I will say that I actually was recording the video, and the audio in the video was messed up. So I actually went ahead and we did have some good folks go ahead and donate and fund this account, which is for educational purposes only. But if anybody wants to put some funds into this trading account, which is going to be on 3C Exchange. Some of you know what it is, but 3C.exchange is the trading platform that we're going to use. You go here to my account and you can deposit it into the cryptocurrency address that we have here. I'll put the link in the description below. Then you can send an email to the Islamic blockchain at gmail.com. We'll take that and with a screenshot of your deposit, and we'll use that for educational purposes only, to show the trading so that we can show different types of trades, and you'll get your capital back. We'll send it back to you, and if there's money made with your capital, then you'll get that too. We're not going to keep it. There may be a few handling fees or some transaction fees here and there, but for the most part, whatever money is made with it, you'll get it back. But so the video was messed up the first time I did this. So what I did was I went ahead and got some Ethereum. I had just Bitcoin in here, but I went ahead and got some Ethereum, some Bitcoin, and some USD Tether, which is a stable coin. As you can see, in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is down 3%, Ethereum is down 5%, but it does fluctuate sometimes. But as you can see, the USDT Tether has not moved. It's still $1, and it's not going to move. So CoinGecko, you will need. If you are not able to get one of these accounts, the 3C.exchange, you'll need a VPN. Some countries they don't operate in, but if you get a VPN, you can basically operate from anywhere. Just select Canada is a good country to operate from, and then you can get one of these accounts. If you're having any trouble, just email us and we'll try to help you get set up, inshallah. So like I said, I already made these trades for today. They're really not trades. I just kind of just bought the Tether. I bought the Ethereum so that we could go ahead and kind of get started. But it wasn't on the I didn't have it on the video, and it's already bought. So here we go. We'll have to do the next set of trades or the next trade tomorrow. So we'll close out here, but if anybody wants to put any funds in the account so we can show more different types of trading strategies, you're more than welcome to do that. I'm sure we will have some people who will do so. But in the meantime, get CoinGecko. Go ahead and get a VPN. I'll put in a link in the description for ExpressVPN. That's the one I use, and they'll give you like a discount off for using it. And then tomorrow we'll get started, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.